let's just keep going here. Oh, that tile looks a little suspect. I may end up having to remove that later. For right now, painting is what I'm doing. Man, I thought I had all the old pieces of carpet remnants pulled off of there. Got just a little bit there. See, I really don't care if I get it on the floor, do I? It just doesn't matter right now. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing that along this room. Don't be bashful and think that you can't do paint. You know, it's really not that difficult to do it. You're never going to know until you start trying. And you just get better along the way. That's just how it works. Not quite sure why, but that's just how it works. Might as well do this while I'm here, huh? Let's see if you can see that. I think you can. You have to be a professional painter to do this? Absolutely not. Okay? Don't make the assumption that you can't do it yourself. There's lots of stuff that you can do yourself. You just don't even know it because you haven't tried it. You know? Get in there. The money that you save from paying other people, you can buy some tools, some paintbrushes, some drops, back brace, back lumbar belt. That's what I guess it's called, not a brace. I was told that the other day. And it's probably right. It's not a brace that I wear. It's a lumbar belt. A lumbar belt. Okay. Let's just do this. Let's just do this area here while I'm here. Okay. I like to carry, this is just a little garden pad. I like to carry that. You'd be surprised how bad your knees start feeling when you kneel down on a concrete floor or a hard wood floor for any length of time. And it's just something that it's another thing that I use every time I do the job. I've got some sort of pad like this. Usually I got my other one. But that's just something that is always a mainstay, a staple for me. It's something to protect my knees. I don't like using those things that you put on your knees, like knee pads that you attach that go behind your leg to hold it. Those things get uncomfortable after a while. A lot uncomfortable. Oh, look at that, I got a spill. That's okay, I can clean that up. It'll dry, just make sure you don't step on it. Okay. Somebody else has already gone through the effort to paint the rest of this base. I was told that if I see anything, I guess I can paint it. They even painted over this door stopper. Probably shouldn't have done that, but they did.